Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's Bella here, and I've just popped on quickly to show you what I've been up to with my ephemera, and just a bit of an update, really, because I've been quietly working away here this afternoon, and I thought, well, I'll just come on quickly and show you where I've got to today. So here we go. So here's the journal, and I did that yesterday, but I've just put this little piece of lace, which is this one, which I love, what I was telling you about yesterday. Okay, so I found a home for it. So I've got some on there. I've got my cross stitches there, as you saw yesterday. All right, so that's that. And if you haven't seen the journal before, there she is. And there she is. All right, so I'm not going to linger on that. This is a piece I've just finished. As I say, I am not inking, so this is as it's going to be. So that'll go on a page. Haven't decided where yet, but let me just show you. My scissors. I've got some cross stitch in here. I've laid it out with some lace. Some of that with the spots on, which has disappeared. Here it is. Try not to bang the camera. That's that one. And I put that down there. Then I put the one I just showed you on there with a button on the top. And I've done some cross stitches in pink there. I think that's quite pretty. So that's that one. That's going on there. This is a little pocket I've done. I'm not sure whether this will go on top of a pocket or where this is going to go. I'm just making ephemera at the moment, and where it'll go, I haven't decided yet. So I have layered this one up. So it's got a few layers of lace on it, just odd bits. And I've done a row of cross stitching and this lovely pearly button on that one. And I've layered this one up as well. That's some lovely material I've got. I put it away now, but I'll show you that again. I've used this material on the cover. So I'm just picking up different things that I've used on the cover to go on the ephemera. Stitch the button on. I've stitched some more of that material there. And as I say, I've layered it up. So there's layers with the lace on there. And this one is the same. And I've done that one. That went a bit wonky, but I'm not going to worry about it. Can't get it right every time, can we? So that's that. All right. So let me put those back there and then you can see them. And then this one I've just completed. These are just little bits that I've stitched together that were lying on my desk. And I shall find a home for those, no doubt. Okay, and this is a fabric flip. It'll go like that in the journal. And I've laid it up and they're all loose. So you can flip them up and then you can hide something secret underneath if you want to or not, depending. And these are the materials I've used on the cover as well. So that was that. And just to show you that I did manage to get, I did muck up the one yesterday, and I caught it in my printer, and I thought, oh dear, that's the end of my printer now. I won't be able to print anymore. So I plucked up the courage this morning, and I put the white on the paper that I showed you yesterday. And I've cut it down. It was a little bit smaller because it was jamming. So I thought, well, let's make it smaller rather than larger. And it went through fine. Why it didn't go through yesterday, I have no idea. I had to really tug to get it out. So just be careful if you're going to use material on this freezer paper. I don't know whether I'd be able to use that a second time. I'm going to try it and I'll let you know. Because I keep throwing it in the bin and I'm just wondering whether or not, because it's cut ready, isn't it? So I could use that as my template anyway. So there we are. And it's on white material. So I'm not sure what I did with the others now to compare them. But sorry, I'm picking the bits off. Sorry. Drive me nuts. There we are. So this does fray as well. And this is just ordinary tablecloth that I've used. It's quite thin, but it's just right because it'll be going on to probably book page or something and then I can start making tags with this. That's why I've used this. And it matches up with the kit I'm using from Rachel's. So I'm not sure which one this is. I'll have to look, and I'll put it down in the description down below, okay? So that's turned out really well, so I'm pleased about that. So they all match up beautifully, all the colours. And you can see it's white, and it goes well with the cover. So I think I'm okay. I'm safe with the white. So I'm going to stick with the white. I'm going to do some more. I'm going to be making quite a bit of ephemera. Some I will do on camera, some I will do off. And we'll see how it goes, because there's quite a lot to be done in this journal. So I'm going to put that over there in a minute, because I've got something else to show you. And I'll fold that over. Take any distractions away. And my Rachel has done 2 new kits. Now I haven't printed them all off, and I tell you for why, because I was coming to the end of my ink, and I just wanted to print it off to show you, because she's unable to do it at the moment, because she's, as you know, got COVID, so she's feeling a bit poorly today. So this is from Rachel Bella Crafts, and this is the Medici, I would say that's how you pronounce that, I'm not 100% sure, the Medici Journal Kit. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Now this is just the front, I forget what they call it now, the cover page. And that's that one there, that one there. So I printed 2 off, because I thought I just have to show you, because it's absolutely gorgeous. So if you'd like to go on to Rachel Bella Crafts site, you'll be able to see each page individually yourself. And it's absolutely beautiful. Now this one, the second one, I think myself is the best that she's ever done. And I've told her so as well. So this is called Eastern Promise. There's the name there, Eastern Promise, from Rachel Bella Crafts. And it's absolutely beautiful. And I can't wait to use it. So, and I love anything like this. And she's put it on the tags as well. And these flowers are beautiful. It's going to be a beautiful kit. It would make a lovely boho journal, I would say. Beautiful butterflies on there as well, look. And that's just one of the pages. Sorry, I'm a bit dry today. That's that one. I've just printed off one. I was having, that's not on there. That was a mistake. I don't know what happened with my printer. It's still trying to recover from yesterday, I think, when I messed it up with the fabric. So forget that bit. But I didn't want it to print it again, because my ink's running out. So, but isn't it absolutely beautiful? So go over to Rachel Bella's Etsy shop and take a look, because this is and she's had some lovely comments already. So well done, Rachel. And this is another one out of that kit as well, because you can see that flower there. So I'm not sure whether that's in view or not, because I've got the camera down a bit low. So I'll do it like this. There you go. Isn't that sweet? So that's what I've been up to today. It's a very short video today. I just wanted to touch base with you and let you know how Rachel's getting on. I haven't heard from Cheryl. So if any of you have heard from Cheryl and you know whether she's okay or not, can you let Rachel or I know, please? Because we are a bit worried, because she's been very quiet. So I hope you're okay, Cheryl. If you see this, let us know, please. And we'll keep praying for you. Take care, everybody. Have a lovely day and look after yourselves. Be kind to yourself. God bless.